You go for a little walk? You gonna go poo-poo too? You gonna take over the world? That's right. Let's go, mister. Alright. Yeah, beautiful day today. Perfect. Boy for a walk. I've been here before. Nice. You ready? Let me lock the car. Come on, bud. Let's go. I wish I had my camera strap for the dog. I don't. He's still not too great meeting new doggies. So I had to shut the camera off. He gets too excited. And we're trying to break that little habit there. Pretty tough hill, but it is. So we're on our hike. This dude I met at the bottom of the hill, I had the camera off. He's like, oh, there's rattlesnakes and everything up here. So maybe we'll run into one. That'd be kind of cool. Just I hope I see him before he sees me. Right? Look at you, you're so tired. Look at that. Say hi. Good boy. Alright, so we're heading back. I didn't see any rattlesnakes. And he's just having the time of his life. He loves this. About down the hill, we ran into a pack of dogs. It was crazy, and you know, unfortunately I couldn't even turn the camera on because Bailey got so excited and they were so excited and they just basically bum rushed him. And I was like, see, that's why you listen to me. He was all right. He could hold his own. He's a pretty big puppy. Yep, Bailey's 5 months. Yesterday, huh? No, 2 days ago. Yep, 5 months. Guys, that's pretty much it for the video. We're gonna do a bunch more videos when I get a shot, you know. But if you guys like Bailey and you want me to make more videos, you can subscribe if you like. I'm gonna make them anyways. They're for me to put up there so I can share with my family and friends and stuff, you know, because we're all big dog lovers. But if you guys want to see some more stuff, you know, he knows some pretty cool tricks and stuff. So yeah, catch you guys later.